Okay, now on page 204, human activity may contribute to natural disasters. That's actually true. They mention in the reading that human activity contributes to natural disasters. What factors may make a community vulnerable to a natural disaster? Circle 3 answers in paragraph 7. It says here, natural disasters occur when a community is vulnerable, such as violent weather and movements under the earth. Maybe the land is very low, or they are near a river. The buildings are not strong. Okay, so let's see here. It is too near something dangerous. Did they mention that? It said here they are near a river. Maybe a river can be dangerous. Like a river. It has houses that are on very low land. They do mention that here. It has very bad weather. That's true. See the violent weather? It has houses that are not built well. That's actually true too. The buildings are not strong. So they don't say about homes, but they do talk about buildings, which could be the same thing. So yeah, I think these aren't really that. It says here you're only supposed to circle 3 answers, but I think they do mention if you're close to a river, that could be dangerous. And then they also do mention that maybe it's because this has to be buildings. It's not clear. So anyway, I actually got all of the answers for this one. I'm curious to hear what you have to say. The book says it's only 3, but I think you could say all of these apply. The tsunami in the Indian Ocean in 2004 was one of history's 5 deadliest natural disasters. Look at table 7.1. Okay, 2004. It's not the, it says one of the top 5, and it's not. It's here. So it's one of the top 10, but it's not the top 5. So this is false. According to the whole reading, which of the following causes and effects is not true? Major storms cause floods. That is actually true. Floods may cause mudslides. That is true. Human activity may cause hurricanes. That one is false. Hurricanes may cause tsunamis. That's true. We cannot cause hurricanes. We can cause earthquakes, but we can't change the weather. We can only change if the earth moves. So this one is C. Alright, now let's do the next section. It says here, in Skills and Strategies 13, you'll learn that some adjectives and nouns often appear together. Recognizing and learning these collocations can help you read more quickly. Reread and highlight the adjective noun collocations for storm, rain, wind, floods, and damage. Okay, so here we have, we have to just, I'm going to use my red pen here. So violent storms bring heavy rain. So I'm just like circling or like boxing whenever I see an adjective before one of these words. And strong wind. So much rain can cause floods. The most serious violent storms begin over ocean. If you want, you can circle this serious violent storm. These are called hurricanes, cyclones, or typhoons. Their names depend on their locations. A hurricane is a massive storm in the Atlantic Ocean or the Eastern Pacific Ocean. A cyclone is a severe storm that starts in the Indian Ocean or in the southwestern Pacific Ocean near Australia or Africa. A typhoon is a storm in the northwestern Pacific Ocean near Asia. In 2009, a typhoon hit Taiwan. 80 inches, 2 meters of rain fell in 2 days. Heavy floods destroyed bridges and roads and caused widespread damage. So I think I got all of them. So yeah, you have to just read it and find where they use the word storm or rain or flood, and damage, and circle or underline that, just so that you can notice which words come together.